Yes, hello there. A very good evening to you. And it is that time of the day when we bring you the weather report here in UBC. My name is Mollen, Kenyena. Now, we've seen a slight reduction in hot weather activities across much of the country. Nevertheless, we still have some rains across a few areas. And by 9 o'clock this morning, according to the available data, we did have some rains across Mount Elgon Highlands, with Bududa reporting a total of 5.2 millimeters. We also had Tororo with 3 millimeters. And Kampala was reporting 1.2 millimeters. Now we take a look at our satellite analysis, where we see that we still have that high pressure system that is over the southern half of our continent, and because of that, we're seeing a slight reduction in wet weather activities. At the same time, we do have part of the rain belt that is aligned close to the western part of the country, and that is also bringing us some rains, especially across the western sector. And we could also be looking at some local effects over Lake Victoria that might enhance wet weather activities by tomorrow. But to be precise, let's take a look at Tuesday's weather forecast. Well, in the morning, we'll start off with those light rains, but that will be across the central part of Lake Victoria, extending all the way up to western Lake Victoria Basin. That takes in parts of Masaka, Liantonde as well. But the rest of the country, we do expect a sunny morning and also with a mix of clouds, but pretty sunny for northern Uganda as well as the eastern half of the country. Now, later in the afternoon, we are expecting to maintain those sunny conditions still across the northern part of the country and eastern Uganda. Elsewhere, we will be seeing mostly a mix of clouds and sunshine. We do have that forecast for light rains, but that will be across the islands of Lake Victoria. We take a look at our daytime highs, where we are forecasting a maximum of 28. That will be across the nation's capital, Kampala. We are likely to have a warm day still across northern Uganda. Temperatures will be from 31 to 32 degrees. We're also forecasting a warm 31, and that will be across Kasese. But, well, looking at some of the cities we have for you beyond Uganda, we're forecasting sunny intervals. That will be across Nairobi as well as New York. And a sunny day is forecast for Dubai. Take a look at that, 45, very hot weather. Well, I don't remember a day where we had 45, for example, across Kampala and also for much of Uganda. This is really warm weather over there. We're also forecasting rainy conditions, but that will be across Moscow. And with that, we come to the end of tonight's weather report. Thank you very much for joining us. My name is Mollen, Kenyena. Wishing you a good day tomorrow.